always focused on ease in the system. So I don't want her twisted like a pretzel. I want her system completely comfortable. And this first adjustment will be to her sacrum. And I'm also noticing a lot of jamming here in the lower portion of the back, which is what Allison came in with in the first place. So I'm going to be taking the sacrum and rotating it this direction. Okay, let that knee fall, Allison. Just like that. Lovely. The other side for me. So through that sacral adjustment, that decompresses the entire lumbar spine, bringing more space, bringing more ease. The muscles start to relax as the nerves reorganize the tissue. So same thing here, except for this is on the ilium. So I'm going to be contacting the back side of the ilium, rocking it backwards. Just like that.